Row, row, row your boat, the river of imagination. In a picturesque town, the Miller family, consisting of mom, dad, little sister Emily, and her big brother Owen, lived in a charming cottage by the river. Today, join us on an imaginative adventure inspired by the classic nursery rhyme Row, row, row your boat. The Millers were a family known for their love of stories and imagination. One sunny afternoon, as they sat by the riverbank, Owen suggested they turn their simple rowboat into a vessel of wonders. The family agreed, and the adventure began. As the Millers rowed gently down the stream, the river transformed into the river of imagination. Each family member contributed to the magic by imagining different landscapes and scenarios along the way. Their boat floated through a forest of floating lily pads, and Owen and Emily pretended they were explorers discovering new species of imaginary creatures. The family shared stories about the importance of exploration, curiosity, and teamwork. As they rowed, the Millers started singing Row, row, row your boat. The melody echoed across the river, and magical things began to happen. Fish leaped in time with the music, and the trees swayed to the rhythm. Their boat reached an island, and the Millers discovered it was the island of creativity. They explored the island, finding art supplies and musical instruments. Together, they created a beautiful mural and composed a song that celebrated the wonders of imagination. As the Millers rowed back home, their hearts were filled with the magic of imagination. They decided to share their experience with the town by organizing an Imagination Day, where families could come together to celebrate creativity and storytelling. And so, the Miller family turned a classic nursery rhyme into an adventure that celebrated the power of imagination. This is the tale of the River of Imagination, where a simple song taught us that creativity and exploration can turn an ordinary day into an extraordinary journey. Thank you for joining us on this imaginative expedition. Until next time, may your days be filled with the magic of creativity, just like the Miller family and their enchanted rowboat. In a charming town, the Peterson family, consisting of mom, dad, little sister Lily, and her big brother Jack, lived in a cozy house surrounded by a vibrant garden. Today, join us on an educational adventure inspired by the classic nursery rhyme Itsy Bitsy Spider. The Petersons were a family with a green thumb. Their garden was filled with colorful flowers, buzzing bees, and playful butterflies. One sunny morning, Lily discovered a tiny spider making its way up a sunflower. Intrigued by the little spider, the Petersons gathered around to observe. They named it Itsy and watched as it bravely climbed up the sunflower. Jack, fascinated by nature, decided they should learn more about Itsy's journey. The family transformed their garden into a learning space. Armed with magnifying glasses and notebooks, they explored the intricate world of spiders. They discovered the importance of spiders in maintaining a healthy garden ecosystem. Inspired by their discoveries, the Petersons decided to turn their newfound knowledge into a science project. Jack and Lily created a poster illustrating the life cycle of spiders and their role in the garden ecosystem. As they worked, the family started singing Itsy Bitsy Spider. The melody echoed through the garden, attracting the attention of neighboring families. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider. The Petersons invited everyone to join their Itsy Bitsy Science Day. The Petersons' garden transformed into a vibrant science fair. Families from the town explored interactive exhibits, learned about garden ecosystems, and even held friendly spider-themed competitions. The Itsy Bitsy Spider became a symbol of unity and learning. And so, the Peterson family turned a classic nursery rhyme into a garden adventure that celebrated the wonders of nature and education. This is the tale of the Itsy Bitsy Garden Adventure, where a simple song taught us the joy of discovery and the importance of our tiny garden friends. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Until next time, may your days be filled with curiosity and learning, just like the Peterson family and their Itsy Bitsy friend. London Bridge is falling down. The London Bridge restoration. In a vibrant town, the Thompson family, Mom, Dad, little sister Emma, and her big brother Ethan lived in a historic house near a bridge with a rich history. Today, join us on an engaging adventure inspired by the classic nursery rhyme London Bridge is Falling Down. The Thompsons were a family passionate about history and community. Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. One day, as they strolled by the aging London Bridge, Emma wondered about its past. Inspired by her curiosity, the family decided to explore the history of their beloved bridge. The Thompsons delved into old books and archives, learning that their town's bridge had a rich history dating back centuries. Build It had been rebuilt and renovated numerous times. The family marveled at the stories of resilience and community strength embedded in the bridge's bricks. Inspired by the bridge's tales, the Thompsons decided to initiate a community project. The London Bridge Restoration. They invited neighbors and friends to join hands in preserving the town's historical landmark for future generations. As the community gathered, the Thompsons and their neighbors worked together to restore and beautify the bridge. Ethan and Emma painted vibrant murals, while Mom and Dad coordinated with local artisans to add decorative elements that showcase the town's cultural diversity. During their work, the Thompsons and the community sang "London Bridge is Falling Down." The song echoed through the town, uniting everyone in a collective effort to preserve their shared history. The melody became a symbol of unity and strength. After months of hard work, the Thompsons and the community unveiled the newly restored London Bridge. It stood as a testament to the resilience of the town and the importance of coming together to preserve history and build a brighter future. And so, the Thompson family transformed a classic nursery rhyme into a community project that celebrated unity, history, and the strength of coming together. This is the tale of the London Bridge Restoration, where a simple song taught us the power of community and the value of preserving our shared heritage. Thank you for joining us on this heartwarming journey. Until next time, may your communities be filled with shared history, unity, and the strength to build bridges for a brighter tomorrow.